7 Sigma. Off-grade.
Hey, this is the whole point. This is what I hope. This is the vision for the channel.
Alright, look, man.
I'm executive producing.
They're coming up here on a tilt bed truck. 20 feet container. They don't want you to be able to have 75 feet of back end clearance. So they're gonna put the front of the thing on just the cab of the truck and put the doors this way. So they're gonna tilt it and drop it. Just lay it down.
What's a cab? The back?
The truck.
Oh.
The truck that's gonna bring the container.
So they have to have space to go forward and slide in.
Right here would be perfect.
Oh.
I can't put it right here. Flat.
Because this is going to be the location where we drill the well.
How big is it? 75? Something?
20 feet. 8 feet wide, 20 feet long.
Just put it right here.
No. I can't put it right there because that's where the well is going to be drilled.
Why? The well is here?
Yep, the wheels is right. And my little screw.
The chain of it.
That's where the wheel's gonna go.
How much space do you need for the well?
Big enough for that big ass well rig truck to come in with that big ass crane. Why all of my baby? How big is the truck?
POV driving.
7 Sigma. Off-grade.
And we are back. Today, Sarah and Bashi are preparing the area for the arrival of our new shipping container. My husband's having some issues with the measuring wheel, but I'm sure he'll figure it out eventually.
Yeah, I figured out that it's actually not going to be an accurate measurement because I'm rolling over some uneven terrain. And I'm trying to figure out, am I getting taller or is the stick getting shorter as I keep rolling? Obviously, this measuring wheel is not made for what I'm trying to use it for. What the hell?
This is gonna be the spot for the shipping container. 20 feet long. 20 feet long by 8 feet wide. Do you like my accent? I'm from the island of Nook Nook. Zing Zing. What the are you doing, island?
So because I didn't bring up the weed whacker, we had to clear out space for the shipping container, so we're using shovels. And this guy, what the hell?
That'll give you enough room for the F450 fifth wheel and still be able to sneak a container in, 20-foot shipping container in this spot.
Look at this dude.
That tree line going back that way. Just got tilted kind of like
And he's over here playing baseball, boy.
that.
This guy, eh?
Nice spot for shipping container. Done.
Instead of working, you'd rather play with the drone.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm good.
We are on our way to the property.
I said I'm good, good. Just as long as I got you, you're on my mind.
We are 2 hours away, and I'm just playing with my husband.
What could be going on? My friends, they just don't know. What is he smoking on? And I say nothing cause I don't
Oh, we have cows. Oh yeah, so they have these cows that roam. They're free range cows, and they just walk amongst the street. They just walk all over the place, and so people are used to them.
I said I'm good, good. Just as long as I got you.
My husband is upset because he has to cut the wood. Unfortunately, Lowe's does not cut chemically treated wood, so he has to cut it himself. And we do not have electricity on the property, so therefore he has to manually cut the wood.
As long as I got you, you're on my mind.
He's trying to get it done.
Get your workout in. This is why we should exercise more.
Yeah, we need to hit the gym because
I'm cool. I'm good.
You gonna push it back so I can stand on it?
Alright.
Don't you gotta push it back first or take the chair off?
I push it back, but I'll be cutting the hole in my hand. Get off. Watch my hand.
and he asked me to stand on the wood, so I have to stand on one end so that it won't fall on the other end.
Oops, sorry.
We're just trying to figure it out. But we got through it, or he got through it.
Yeah, shake.
Yeah, this is why we need to strengthen our core, because he's talking about his back hurt. It's all good.
I hope these masks work.
My arm's gonna fall off. Camera on, bro. My arm gonna fall off.
Yeah, he's complaining about his arms too.
I said I'm good, good, good. Just as long as I got you, you're on my mind, sugar. And it seems I think you too.
Woohoo! We did it! Oh, you did it.
Oh, you did it. For your help. Ooh. My four corners.
He did it! Whoop, whoop. That's that strong man right there. Show your muscles. We got four corners.
Yeah, them abs are not muscles, but hopefully one day we'll get there.
What are you trying to do? Where you trying to go? What are you trying to do, Robbie? Don't leave trash down there. Take care of your property.
It's your right there. It's you.
Oh.
This is our boy Anu, and he's helping us with all of the things that we have to do today.
What could be going on?
And he's just staying by mommy's side.
Okay. Okay. So this is my question. If he's pulling the container all the way back, where are you putting the blocks?
Huh?
If he's pulling the container back, where are you putting the blocks? Like how?
Like I said, that's the back of it.
Yeah, like
Like
where?
I said,
Where you?
this right here is the back of the container.
So my husband had to show me where he was putting the blocks.
Oh, big ass beetle! Egyptian beetle. Capara.
He had to show me where he was putting the blocks, so where the container will actually be placed in this space right here.
Some of this stuff out with the rocks and stuff with the
And of course, I'm trying to act like I really know what I'm doing by trying to tell him where he needs to go and where things should be placed.
We can have
You're trying to put it back there.
so from this tree all the way from the fifth wheel truck and all of that.
So why can't you put it back there?
Yeah. He was trying to work with me.
Bring a whole bunch of people pushing it. Only 5,000.
I said I'm good.
He didn't say we was gonna get a whole bunch of people and push the container.
That's what I said.
Yeah, we're not pushing the container. We can barely cut wood. So today we are dropping off the container and we are meeting the driver at the post office. And we are on our way up to the property to drop off the container. And this This should be very interesting.
Good afternoon, good evening, how are you? I'm good, I'm cool. I said good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? I'm good, I'm cool. I'm good, I'm cool.
We had to do some weed whacking on our driveway because it was overgrown with tons of weeds. And so it looks pretty good. My husband did a really good job clearing the space out so that the truck wouldn't have any problems getting up the hill.
Gorgeous, beautiful, since that's the way you are. In my mind's memoir.
He's finally backing in and we are getting our container placed. Small wins, small wins.
Help me, please. You're so gorgeous, beautiful, since that's the way you are. In my mind's memoir, my behavior so bizarre. When I'm close to you, I freeze. In your presence, I can't speak. Someone help me, please. Can you help me, please? I mean, good morning.
So right now, they're going to discuss the best place to place the container and how far they want the container to go back in this area. And he's going to actually place the container on the wood that my husband cut. So this is interesting.
I'm good. I'm cool. I'm good. I'm cool. Now take this and do to this like it was you and this doing this. Ow.
Let's see if it fits. See what happens. I think he's going to try to put it all the way back there in the cut. We have hit some branches. We have hit some branches.
Yeah, we need to cut that tree down actually.
But he got it.
So we originally wanted that tree right there cut down. And let's see what happens.
You're on my mind, sugar. And it seems I affect you too. What could be going on? All my friends, they just don't know. But what is he smoking on? And I say that because I don't smoke. It's just good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm good. I'm cool. I said good morning.
And I call my husband Rara. That's his nickname. So I might say Rara from time to time. That's who I'm talking about.
Okay, so now he's putting the logs under there. I was just about to remind him because I thought he forgot, but luckily he did not.
And this is my first time seeing a container being placed anywhere actually, but it's interesting to see that they're actually going to place it on these large wood blocks and how precise he's going to place the container on these blocks.
Let's get this over with quick. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm good. I'm cool. I said good morning. Good afternoon, good evening, how are you? I'm good, I'm cool.
So I think they're having some issues right now with getting it leveled because the ground is not leveled where we want to place the container.
I said I'm good, just as long as I got you. You're on my mind, sugar. And it seems I affect you too. What could be going on? My friends, they just don't know. What is he smoking on? And I say nothing cause I don't smoke. I said I'm good. Just as long as I got you. You're on my mind, sugar. And it seems I affect you too. What could be going on? All my friends, they just don't know. But what is he smoking on? And I say nothing cause I don't smoke. It's just good morning, good afternoon,
he got it placed there okay. But as you can see in the back, it's still not leveled, and in the back the back is up a little higher than the block that is on the ground. And so my husband's gonna have to figure that part out. But right now, I think they're just going to leave it, and just leave the container where it is. And my husband's gonna have to figure out how to get the back part of it leveled out. And I don't know if my husband realized that it was unleveled. I was seeing it, but I wasn't sure if he saw it. So I kind of wanted to call his attention to it. But my husband's very detail oriented, so I'm probably sure he saw it. Do you see the back there? It's not level, right? Yeah. We have a shipping container. Oh, yeah. And even though it's not leveled, they are on some blocks. That's Anu with his cone because he had a boo-boo on his paw and he's coming out his cone. So Anu did not like his cone. He had a little boo-boo. He tore his dew claw, and we had to take him to the vet to get his dew claw taken off, and we put a cone on him. You can see there that he has a little tape wrapped around his dew claw so he won't chew on it. And Anu and Rara are actually looking at how much of space that is between the container and the wood, and right now he is trying to measure the distance between the space and the container so that he can figure out, maybe put another block there. Let's see what a shipping container look like. Yeah, I was so excited we had a shipping container. Oh. Not too shabby, not too shabby. When the end of the world, the apocalypse comes, we're gonna be prepared. Yeah, baby, we got a shipping container.
We're having a picnic. Eating in our container. You're free. No more cone head for you. Yay. Even though you got a little boo-boo. You got a little boo-boo. You hurt your dew claw.
Yeah, he was happy he had that cone taken off, and he was running around excited. And here you could see that we placed our shipping container all the way in the cut, so it's out of the way.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm good.
We're in this. We're in
I'm
this.
cool.
We're in this. We're in this. We're in this. We're in this.
Yeah, we're in this. Okay, he was excited.
Hang your ass up in this.
7 Sigma.